Hello friends, I am Vikas Malhotra and I welcome all of you to my channel. Friends, today in this video I am covering a specific topic which is related to doing a specific Lal Kitab remedy if you are suffering from any strain or virus. All of you know that today all of us are suffering from coronavirus pandemic, and if you can do this remedy. This is a very simple remedy, and I will suggest that if you are suffering from any virus or strain and it is affecting you, you should try this remedy. I will discuss this remedy in considerable detail in this video. First of all, you have to understand that if any virus is originated, it is due to Rahu. When Rahu make contact with any other planet, that is, it is associated with any other planet like Mercury, Moon or any other planet, then virus type changes. Now how the virus will behave will depend on how the Rahu is interacting with other planets in your specific horoscope. But for the benefit of all, I am sharing a general remedy. That is, if you are suffering from any strain or virus and it is affecting your physical health, then you can try this remedy. What you have to do for this remedy is take a red color cloth. Red color cloth is the color of Mars, that is Mangal. Now put some barley, that is jaw, that is associated with Rahu. Take a red color cloth, put some barley in it and put aside your pillow or below your pillow in the night, and in the next day you should offer this jaw or barley to birds. Birds are related with Mercury, barley is related with Rahu, and red color cloth is Mars. Mars has the ability to control the problems relating to Rahu. So when you use Mars cloth, it will cover all the problems which you are facing due to Rahu. One more remedy I am sharing in those cases where you find that your disease is not being diagnosed by any clinical trial. Your doctor is saying that do these tests, do those tests, but your disease is not being diagnosed. These things, these problems are also attributed to Rahu. In that case, you can try one more Lal Kitab remedy. Take a blue flower. Blue is the color of Rahu, flower is for Mercury, and bury it on a Thursday at the time of sunset in a deserted place. What you will do is that you are taking the help of Mercury, that is flower, to control Rahu. In this way you will be able to diagnose your disease, and once your disease is diagnosed, correct treatment is possible. So friends, try these two remedies. These are very effective remedies, and for specific consultation you can visit our website and book specific appointment. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe this channel also. You can subscribe our Hindi channel with the name Lal Kitab Astro Center also, so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you get a notification for it. Please remember to push the bell notification also, so that timely notification of every video which is uploaded comes to you. Thanks friends. Have a good day.